Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to update Canva account profile. So to start, open Canva and sign into your account. Next, click your profile icon in the lower left corner. Then go to your account. Now, once you go to your account, go to your profile. Now on your profile, scroll down and you should see your account. Then below that, you should see your profile photo. So you will see your current profile picture. So on the right side, you can either remove photo or change photo, or simply click on the picture itself, then choose the new image you want to use. For example, I select this picture and click open. So Canva will then update or upload the image. So wait for it to process. So once upload is complete, you can simply go back. So there's no need to click save because Canva automatically saves the change. So again, just a quick recap, you can go to your profile in the bottom left corner, go to your account, then go to your profile, then scroll down, and you can click change photo, remove photo, or tap the current profile picture itself, then choose the profile picture.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
And it will be updated. And that's it. So your Canva profile picture has now been updated. Thank you for watching.